Hello my dear colleagues. Today we will do a quick ponytail. We start with a section, we separate from ear to ear a section through 0 to point, and all the nape zone we collect it into a ponytail. The rest of the hair, the top zone and the side zone, we will work separately. We start with the top zone. I will separate it in two parts. I will leave for later the left part, and I will start with the right part. So I will comb it very good. I need to have very smooth hair, and then twist it like this and start to pull out some texture. Pull out some texture like this, and then I will put a hairpin to maintain this hair, to comb every texture that I had pulled out. With this kind of comb or fork comb, we start to comb every texture, and then I will put some hairspray to fix the shape. I will keep twisting till the ponytail like this, and start also to pull out some texture. Fix it temporarily with the hairpin and start to comb it and pull out some texture. If you want, you can pull it higher or less. It's up to you. Don't forget to add some hairspray to fix every texture. The left part we will do the same technique, but now we will twist it in front of the first part, like in the mirror technique, like this. And also I will pull out some texture and unite it with the first part, and we will have like a braid effect. Don't forget to comb every texture and fix it with hairspray. When you fix it, you have to add the hairspray, blow it, and then with your finger smooth it. Do the same with all the hair that we have, and then I will go to the side zone. Also, I will separate in two parts, and I will start to work with the top part, also twisting. Everything I will twist to the middle, like this, and start to pull out some texture. The same technique like we do it in the top zone. The difference is that now we will twist it in the same way, the both parts. And the second one, like this, we will twist it. If you want, you can twist it with the mirror effect, like we did it in the top zone. But I want something different, like everything goes to the middle of the head. And you can add some hairpins to sustain our shape that we are creating, and twist it again. Everything will go to the ponytail, to the base of the ponytail. After we have do it all the both part zone, the side zone, everything we will collect and we will fix with an elastic and two bobby pins to the ponytail. And now we will work the ponytail. I add some shine spray to give a little bit of shine and cancel the hairspray effect. And then I will take the ponytail, I will separate it into two parts, and each part I will twist it one against the other. So the left part I will twist it to the left, and the right part I will twist it to the right, and then start to pull some textures. And after, you can fix it with an elastic, and you have this kind of shape. You can work more you can comb it and also fix it with hairspray. Try to work very clean, and everything has to be very fixed and very good comb. And then we go more, and now I will twist it in the opposite way. So the left part I will twist it to the right, and the right part I will twist it to the left, and also pull out some texture, and after I will fix it with an elastic. And do this technique until you finish all the ponytail. After you finish the ponytail, I will curl a little bit face framing, just a little bit, to have this kind of shape. And this is our final. Hope you like it, practice it, and if you have some comment, you can leave it in the section below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.